Evening viewer, welcome to our Glory Globe TV. Here's breaking news. Yes, many videos on the internet show a heartful interaction between humans and animals, from a man playing with a lion, a dog giving sneaky kisses to its human, to a dolphin cuddling with a woman. Many such clips never fail to make us smile. Now another such video is going viral on social media. It shows a group of deer unfazed by humans taking shelter alongside them during heavy rainfall. This video was shared by Tansu Yagen on Twitter. It opens to show a heavy downpour as the camera pans from the roadside to a shelter under a building. One can see several deer standing next to a group of people, while some people are just standing next to them. A few others can be seen clicking their pictures with the deer. In the caption of the post, Tansu Yagen wrote, "The situation in the Japanese city of Nara during a downpour." This video was shared on July 26 on Twitter. Since being shared, it has gone extremely viral with over 33 million views. The clips also has several likes. Many even took to the comment section of the post to share their thoughts and views on it. An individual commented, "Truly a blessing to see the calm that they show in the side by side. Very nice." A second added, "It is true, remarkable to witness such a harmonious relationship between animal and humans, where the deer feel safe and at ease in the presence of people. It serves as a heartwarming example of how humans can coexist peacefully with wildlife." A third posted, "Oh, how sweet. This makes me think how every downpour the animal must be hiding somewhere." A fourth wrote, "This is just unreal." Behind the report, Glory Globe TV, Delhi, India.